welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Happy Tuesday. It is December the 10th. I hope y'all enjoyed me making this because this warms your heart, okay? All up in there. Now, fragrance of the day, you know what? We're going to use the Rebecca Mink Off today. That's this one, okay? You already know. You already know. So today is purge day. But first, before we purge, I'm going to show y'all things that I picked up. I think I told y'all one day the store was going to have a color that was 99 cents for 3. You get 3 the same color for 99 cents. And that's exactly what I did. I picked up this workout shirt. This is by Joe's. Y'all, this shirt is brand new. It was originally $128. Can y'all see that? $128. I got it for, I guess what it would be, you would say 33 cents. It's charcoal gray. Do y'all see the back of it? Look at that. Look at the back of this. So beautiful, right? And then this is the front of it. It's just a workout shirt with the back exposed. I love that for those super runny days. And you can wear this when it gets like, I guess, fall. You can kind of wear it in the summer too. It all depends on what you're wearing. The next thing I bought was this other 100% top. This top is called Nude. Never heard of it. Y'all let me know. Have y'all ever heard of this? But it is 100% cotton. I think this is it says it's a size medium, but it looks extra large to me. But I think it's the way that it hangs off of you. It's black and it has this wide neck and this long little thing here, and it has sleeves. So I thought that was nice because I'm gonna purge today. We're gonna purge today, like I said. And the last thing I got was some black sweatpants. Y'all, now the black shirt I just showed you and these sweatpants I've already washed. And these are by Reflex. Life is out there. And these are small. I think if I'm not mistaken, it was a small petite in the inside. But they have like the pockets right here. You know, like right here. And then they have the legs that I like that. So let me show you guys what I'm purging. So these want to get put in my drawer. That new one though, it's just like, okay, I like you. Oh y'all, got my first package today and I know what's in here. I actually think this is my knife set, but you're gonna have to go on the other channel to see it because I'm gonna be, pretty soon I'm gonna be uploading a video over there, but this is my package I got. So let's start the purge. So in here, oh, I know what I'm doing. I am purging this. I know y'all gonna be like, girl, that is beautiful. Yes, it is. It's already clean, it's already ironed, all that great stuff. But y'all, I got my other white maxi dress and I don't need her anymore because that's what I really needed was the maxi dress because I already have cover-ups like cardigans and stuff. So this is gonna go. Okay, this is gonna go. And what else is going in here? Some beautiful fingernail polish that I don't really never wear that much. This is gonna go. I have a grater. I have 2 of them. One is like a handheld like that, and then the other one is like a pillar. So I don't need it. So, I've decided to let go of my Levi button-down shorts. Y'all know I love these because of this, but these are a lilac color and I'm not gonna be wearing them that much. So these are glowing. See how I got extra hangers for things? And then, what else do I have? Oh, in my drawer here. I'm going to, I don't know if y'all can see what's in here. Well, y'all can see. I'm going to let these go because I just bought in the black ones. So I'm going to let these tan ones go. And maybe over some time I'll get some more. But I know I got those leopard ones now and they'll go with like cream stuff. So yeah, that is my overall what I'm letting go this time. So yeah, guys, we'll be back because I have to finish out what I'm gonna do for the family room. Okay? All right. All right, good people. We're gonna come back later, like I promised. Hopefully, with the head out this morning. Hope you had a good day. Oh my gosh, hold on. My other package came. Oh my gosh. Then this must be my I'm gonna have to wait until I come back. But that must be my other item. So now I got both of my items. So I think that one I can show y'all, but I won't show y'all until later because she got to head out. All right, bye. Quick stop at the bank, guys. I forgot yesterday. I didn't have no time to go to no bank. And every time I go in here, this is so funny. This is a hilarious story. Every time I go in here, I just walk in there. Y'all, I be forgetting to take out my firearm because they'll be looking at me when I come to the counter like, what's she doing? Because they can see in your bag. And I be forgetting like every time, like, oh my God, I gotta hide my stuff. Oh my goodness, it'd be crazy. But I'm gonna run in this bank and I will see you guys in a minute. Get out my cash. All right, I'll see you guys in a little while. Oh, I don't feel Thank you. How you doing? Good. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh my gosh, every time I get in the car, the Father know what I need, y'all. Can you help me? Yes. But anyway, I was able to get all my errands done this morning. I am not going to be late. And y'all, I just threw that perfume bottle in there. It still comes out, but it come out slow. And I don't have time for that. So I just donated it. So somebody will be able to smell good. They'll be able to smell like a man. You know what I'm saying? But I will catch back up with you guys. It'll probably be like 8 hours later. So I will see y'all in the next one. Peace, y'all.
This is first, coming 6 times rehearse. Don't freestyle much, but I write them like such. Amongst the fiends controlled by the screen.
Yeah, I stopped by Sam's Club to look at these TVs they got. And they have a 70-inch, this one right here, for $527. They have, hold on. They have this video for $379. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about getting another TV, an updated TV. Oh, this one is really nice. This is a LG 65 Premium 4K OLED Smart TV, a 5-year warranty for $15. And then they have the Vizio 65. This one is $6.99. That ain't bad. But I just came in here to look around before I head to the house, y'all. Y'all already know how it is. I'll see y'all in a little while, unless I have something else to show y'all in here. Paul Sebastian Red Door Pearl. Juicy Couture. You can't even take them out. They got them all locked up, y'all. They all locked up. Let me try this one. The Juicy Couture. Smell pretty good. They got a sale. I am back, guys. We're gonna get started with this room. I'm gonna try to do something in here. This room is so many it's just so many memories kind of like in here or something. I'm just trying to do what I can. If y'all understand it, y'all been here for a while, then y'all understand, okay? Just bear with me. We're gonna try to do something. So stay tuned for the rest, okay? Guys, this room is super big. There's only so many things that I can do with it, but I'm not willing to give up just yet.